Hello YouTube, Dano here. Yeah, look at that, eh? Cut off the wheel arch. Going to be replacing the inner wheel house. And getting ready to do the step flange. Just gotta cut that back a bit, because I do have the replacement piece for it. There should be there. And I got this side done so far. Well, almost. It's at least on there so I can weld it. Got it done up with a few screws. And I was going to use this flat steel to do the inside wheel well. And I said, forget that idea. We'll just do our aluminum. This stuff's so nice, bends so easy. You can do the whole thing in there. Put some of that 3M tape on it. Got a big roll of it. Just to protect it so there's no funny stuff going on, because it'll corrode. So anywhere where I have it touching the steel, I've used that two-way tape inside and out. And give her a nice spray afterwards. It'll be all black. No one will know the difference. Alright, in any case, yeah, got my work cut out for me on this one. Alright, in any case, like, comment, subscribe, share. Hey, just stop by, say hello. Dano out.